Time and plans. Welcome to Fluenty's English, where you practice listening, speaking, and reflexes to make English a natural skill, just like your mother tongue. Today's lesson is about time and plans. After this lesson, you will be able to ask and answer about the time. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Talk about days. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, this week, next week. Use daily time expressions. Morning, afternoon, evening, at night. Make plans. Let's meet next week. See you tomorrow morning. Let's get started. Mini story. Planning the week with friends. It is Monday morning. Anna sees her friend David at the bus stop. Anna asks, "Excuse me, what time is it?" David looks at his watch and says, "It's 7 o'clock sharp." Anna smiles. "Thank you. I'm busy today. I have a meeting." David says, "I'll call you tomorrow. Are you free?" Anna replies, "Yes, tomorrow afternoon is fine." They talk about their week. Anna says, "I met Tom yesterday. He was funny." David says, "I have no time this week. Work is too busy." Anna suggests, "Let's meet next week." David nods. "Good idea. Next week is better." David asks, "What day is it today?" Anna says, "It's Monday." David replies, "Okay, see you tomorrow morning." At night, Anna thinks about her plans. She usually reads at night, but today she writes a list. Work today, call tomorrow, meet friends next week. She feels happy because she can plan her time well. Now it's time for the Q&A mini-story, planning the week with friends. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It is Monday morning. Anna sees her friend David. When is it? Monday morning. Who does Anna see? Her friend David. Where are they? At the bus stop. Anna asks, "What time is it?" What does Anna ask? What time is it? Does Anna ask about the time or the weather? The time. Who asks the time? Anna. David says, "It's 7 o'clock sharp." What time is it? 7 o'clock. Does David say it's 7 o'clock or 9 o'clock? 7 o'clock. Who says it's 7 o'clock sharp? David. Anna says, "I'm busy today." When is Anna busy? Today. Does Anna say she is busy today or tomorrow? Today. Who is busy today? Anna. David says, "I'll call you tomorrow." What will David do tomorrow? Call Anna. Does David call Anna today or tomorrow? Tomorrow. Who will call tomorrow? David. Anna says, "I met Tom yesterday." Who did Anna meet yesterday? Tom. When did Anna meet Tom? Yesterday. Did Anna meet Tom yesterday or next week? Yesterday. David says, "I have no time this week." Does David have time this week? No, he doesn't. When does David have no time? This week. Who has no time this week? David. Anna suggests, "Let's meet next week." When does Anna want to meet? Next week. Does Anna want to meet this week or next week? Next week. Who suggests meeting next week? Anna. David asks, "What day is it today?" What does David ask? What day is it today? Does David ask about the day or the time? The day. Who asks, "What day is it today?" David. Anna says, "It's Monday." What day is it today? Monday. Does Anna say it's Monday or Friday? Monday. Who says it's Monday? Anna. At night, Anna usually reads. What does Anna usually do at night? Read. Does she usually read or play football at night? Read. When does Anna usually read? At night. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about time and plans. Now you can ask about the time, talk about days, and make simple plans in English. Keep practicing until these phrases become natural. If you liked this lesson, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Fluent Ease English. See you in the next lesson.